Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, this is one of those rare occasions where the trailer has just dropped and I have sat for the reaction immediately. So it's been just 5 minutes since this trailer has dropped, and I'm also compensating for the fact that I did not publish a reaction for the teaser of this film because I had watched it on my own. So yes, this is also compensating for that, guys. I'm really sorry. So we have Ajit Kumar and Trisha's new film which is gonna release soon, and this film is called, if I butcher the name, please correct me in the comments. It's not my intention. So this movie is called Vidamu Yarchi. I hope that's how it's pronounced. Vidamu Yarchi, yeah, Vidamu Yarchi, because it's double A. So anyway, so the teaser was also very interesting. The teaser did not have any dialogue. It was only music and a lot of stills from the film, which was extremely interesting because it seems very action packed. There seems to be a lot of drama involved. It seems to have the thriller elements also, and it seems to also be a story which happens in a road journey. So I am extremely excited to see what the trailer holds for us. It's almost a 2.5 minute trailer. Let's watch it right away. Cinematography is already amazing. Wow.
அவன் என்னை பார்க்கும்போது அந்த மொமெண்ட், அந்த இமேஜ் அவனுக்கு ஆயுஷ்க்கும் மறக்கக்கூடாது.
I know I have to react to one song from this film soon, guys. Wow.
I'm so lost. எனக்கு இந்த ஜெனரேஷன் பற்றி தெரியாது கைல். ஆனால் நாம் சின்ன பிள்ளையா இருந்தப்ப வாட்ச் கெட்டு போச்சுன்னா ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுவோம், டிவி கெட்டு போச்சுன்னா ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுவோம், தூக்கி போட மாட்டோம்.
This is my
powerful dialogue.
In Azerbaijan, crime rate low.
கொஞ்ச நேரமாவே பிரச்சனை பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. They're drunk. அந்த மாதிரி பொம்பளைங்க வாழவே கூடாது.
இதை ஸ்கெட்ச் போட்டு கொடுத்ததே போலீஸ் தான் சார்.
Böyle şeyler olur.
Whoa, that was a good shot.
I will shoot!
I am not here to fight.
Officer down! Officer down!
Love when he says I am not here to fight, and it's
What
just
is your problem?
கொஞ்ச நாளா என் உலகமே என்ன சுத்தி நொறுங்கிட்டு இருக்கு. உங்க கோவம் எனக்கு புரியுது. சேஃப்டி கேமரா.
wow. Those are some good fight scenes. Vida Muriachi. Okay, Vida Muriachi. Got it. Oh man, that was such a good trailer. Okay, let me stop this first. Okay, this was such a well shot trailer, well edited trailer, but oh my god, the music, Anirudh, what is he doing? What are you doing, man? But keep at it. It's amazing. I loved. Is this song out? Because I don't think this song is out. Oh my god, it already sounds amazing. The intensity, the whole aesthetics, the way the movie is looking visually is phenomenal. I am loving the camera work. I'm loving just the whole vibe and the grittiness of it. It just seems that yes, it's style plus substance. When you watch a trailer, you just feel that okay, the director's vision, it's all style and this and that. It's going to be very sleek and we know what to expect. But this seems a combination and a great balance of both. You can see the style and you can see the substance. And I think the dialogue, which really hit me, it was so good that I don't know about today's kids, but when we were kids, I don't know about today's generation, but when we were kids, if the watch broke, we'd fix it. If the TV broke, we'd fix it. We just don't throw it away. Such a powerful dialogue. I love it and I resonate with it completely. See, if it cannot be repaired, it cannot be repaired, but at least you have to give it a try to fix it first. Yes, that's my logic, but your logic can be something different. You guys let me know about that in the comments. But Ajit looks fabulous. Those action scenes look amazing. Couple of action scenes in the end that we saw where he said, "I'm not here to fight." The action scenes in that shot, because there were like a lot of cuts, fast cuts there, and then in the end also I saw a couple of hand-to-hand combat shots there. That was also great. Also, Ajit on one side, but Arjun Sarja, dude has my heart. He looks so menacing. Oh my god, such a perfect choice for the villain. Perfect casting. He looks phenomenally savage here. And that's why I felt a lot convinced with this trailer, because it's like Ajit's whole demeanor and that towering presence versus Arjun. So it's a battle between equals. It seems to me like that, because Arjun is bringing in all that negative intensity that is required in the film for a villain. Oh my goodness. So he doesn't look like a flimsy villain at all to me. So that was another bonus point, definitely. And what a song. So if you are again watching the trailer, okay, I get really finicky whenever I react to a trailer which is distributed by Sun, because what happens is a lot of time it just gets blocked. Did not happen with Jailer, but still fingers crossed. You never know. One day they might be like, okay, then I'll have to again re-upload it by making modifications. So if you watch the screen recording of the trailer, I mean, if the sound was off, again, I gave the same disclaimer in Jailer 2 reaction also, but nothing happened there. But yeah, if the sound is distorted, or if it's muted, or if the screen is blurred or anything, you know why. So, but I completely enjoyed this. The teaser itself was amazing. I like how the teaser had no dialogues. It was just the music, and just the trailer just elevated this whole film for me, man. I know it was facing a delay or in release, but I am not wait for this to get released, because this looks superb. I'm very happy with this trailer. Just the way it was edited, all the shots, just cinematography, music, the performances look great, just the styling, everything phenomenal. Yes, perfect. 10 on 10 for me. But you guys let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And yes, that was my reaction, and please let me know your thoughts. And I'm gonna sign off now. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.